What's up, guys? I was really in the mood for making a video, and I was like, what do I want to talk about? And I realized I want to talk about how you handle yourself on stream. Let's talk about it. Remember, guys, I do stream during the week. I would like to say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but that is a mess right now. If you do want to check out my stream, link below. Today I want to talk about how you handle yourself on stream, and this could mean a lot of things, but today I'm more specifically talking about negativity. Now, a lot of the time people would be like, well, hey, you know, sometimes you got the feels on stream, and people should understand that. And I'd agree, except I don't agree at all. See, the truth is that, yeah, as much as, you know, your community, depending on what type of community you want to foster, they should be a part of the community that you enjoy and the part of the community that really takes care of you. So people, especially in the way that Twitch is now, the platform doesn't support people who don't create content elsewhere. And if you know who the Alpha Gaming channel or Harris Heller is, then you know that he's talked a lot about creating a community on other platforms and then bringing them over to Twitch to monetize there. Biggest thing I want to talk about is negativity, and it's one thing that I've done a lot. And if you guys know me, Bacon Bit Barry, I've had a million names. I haven't really fostered that much, you know, I haven't created that much success on Twitch. For various reasons, and I don't make excuses, you know, I think my content has changed a lot. I think I've changed a lot. I've had a lot go on in my life, and there's times where I've wanted to and haven't wanted to, and there's times where I've worked on YouTube and haven't worked on YouTube. I wanted to talk about the negativity. One big thing that I did a lot, and you know, even now it's a habit I have to break, is when I'm feeling down and I'm having a bad day and I'm streaming, and sometimes it can be brought on by myself or by another streamer. They'll talk about, you know, oh man, it's hard to grow, or oh man, I feel like I'm doing 110%, but I feel like I'm not getting anywhere, or oh man, I just wish it could be easier. And sometimes that'll bring me down, and that's either just the other streamer bringing me down, or I'll bring myself down and I'll talk about it. But I wanted to just say that it's something that you can't do on stream, and it sounds super restrictive, and other streamers might disagree and say, well, that's, you know, that's you. You can do what you want. That's how you feel. And express yourself, and it's a support, you know, Twitch can be a supportive network, and I think other streamers can be, but doing it publicly can kind of alienate your viewers from you, to be really honest. It sounds really, really harsh to say it like that, but by George, is that the truth? I mean, I know people who have told me in DMs that it's sad. I was enjoying your content, but it's so weird because you started getting really, really depressing. I have no comeback. Because I get it. If I was watching a really good streamer and then they went on a 10-minute rant about how they deserve more, I would also leave. Which has happened a few times as well. But my biggest thing is, I've just got to say that's all you have to do, is just the negativity that you bring to your stream can be a thing that alienates you from your viewers. It's not to say that you can't have a bad day, but avoid talking about that kind of stuff. You know, you can come in and say, I've had a big day and I'm not feeling great, guys, so we're just gonna chill out, you know, and then just move on from there. But to sit there and talk about the failings of social media or whatnot is, well, completely another thing. I just want to do this video real quickly, guys. It's just a quick edit on a Sunday. I just wanted to put it out there that stay positive, enjoy yourself. And being a creator is a journey, man. You create videos, you create social media interactions, you create brand deals. Even if you're not big enough, you can still create brand deals. You just have to do it the right way. But the biggest thing I'm going to say is that remember that you do this because you love it. And if you don't love it, then don't do it. And it sounds really messed up. Like, you're going to have days where you're not going to feel the best. That's different from not wanting to do it. If you wake up and you don't want to do it, don't do it. You know, not saying don't quit. I'm not saying quit content creation. I'm saying don't do that day. If we're talking about times where you want your community to be supportive, telling them, tweeting them out, putting it on Discord, anything like that, and telling them that you just don't feel it today or you're not feeling great today is totally fine. It is totally okay. and I'm okay with it, and I've given you the seal of approval. You can do that. Anyway, guys, I wanted to just do that quick video. I appreciate you. You're awesome. I'm hoping to do more videos like this where it's kind of like feels like a one-on-one where I'm just discussing how I'm feeling. I want to start making it so I'm just kind of putting out a video when I kind of just feel like it. When I'm feeling the subject, I'll just jump in and edit it together. Appreciate you guys. At the end of this, there's a little snippet of my stream if you're wondering if it's worth clicking on.